Come on in. So today we are at the Botanic Sanctuary Hotel in Antwerp. I keep forgetting the name, so Mike is using a little card to help me, and I'm gonna show you the room. So let's start with the bathroom, which is with a shower, beautifully done. You got a sink on the left with a big mirror, a vanity mirror, the usual bathroom supplies, the vanity kit and everything that you can find over there. There is a cool heating area on the left side of me for your towels, which also heats up the room very nicely because it's very warm in here. It feels like a sauna, so, which is funny because this hotel is known for their wellness. So basically you don't even have to leave your room because it is a sauna already here. Fun fact about the bathroom, we noticed there is two types of toilet paper. The thickness is different, so depends on what you like. You either like the thick paper or the thin paper.
That is truly a first.
That is very weird. I don't know if it was just that they changed their toilet paper and we got like the last of the or not, but it's funny.
It would be an incredible detail.
That would be funny. Right here you got the dresser, which is filled with your bathrobes to go to the wellness, your bath slippers, and a bag for your clothes. Either you want to dress up already here to go to the wellness or to take your stuff there.
Which I did a little peek, like there are even towels and everything in there to go to the
spa.
wellness. Like everything is ready for you to just
enjoy.
Yeah.
So that's nice. You got a safe right there as well. And then right here, you've got your coffee station, tea station. You get these complimentary chocolate balls from the Chocolate Nation, which is a chocolate museum, I guess, experience that you can do in Antwerp. Then here is the mini bar. Everything that we mention right now is not included in the price. So the mini bar, the snacks, the water, you all have to pay for separately.
That's all pretty expensive.
It is quite the expensive hotel, so that's a little bit for us a little downside if you already have these enormous prices. Include the nuts, I guess. Water cooker, plates and cups, I guess it's a word. Here you've got your red wine that can be in the fridge because red wine shouldn't be refrigerated. And the 12.50 euros nuts.
The expensive nuts.
The expensive nuts. When you get in, you are presented with a cute little welcome package with some 5 chocolates from Neuhaus. Neuhaus is the best chocolate place in Belgium. It's a chain, but they are so good. They are so much better than Leonie does. If you ever go to Belgium, buy Yeah, house chocolate. You get these apples as well, which seem fake. They seem too perfect to be true. We don't trust them.
No, they're so fake. Like literally the Witch of Snow White with these here. That's like I don't trust them at all.
We're not gonna try. Well, we'll probably eat them, but because free apples. Here you got some papers, the letters that you can send. This is your room service breakfast. How do you say it?
Just
like your menu where you can
refill and hang on the door.
Exactly.
If you're not feeling going to the breakfast.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, delivery time, what you want. You can either get the continental or you can choose from the buffet, which we are super excited about because we heard a lot of good things about the buffet here, the breakfast buffet, which we will show you later. Right here is the bed. Beautiful. What I like most about this room is this detail, is the candle light. I think I've covered everything.
The bed? How
the
is it?
Oh, Mike wants me to jump the bed, so...
Of course, that's how you test the bed.
You might not see this because I might cut this, but...
I will put it back in.
No, but it's a good bed, I guess. I mean, your own bed is always... Ooh, those pillows are nice.
Your own bed is... Ooh,
those are some good pillows.
Forget about what I just said.
No, forget about it. Forget it. Oh, we're not gonna do this again. What I like most about this room is the neutral tones, the beam. They kept like the charm of the old building, as this used to be a hospital. So obviously it's not the typical hospital room, but the oldness of the building is still present. So that's really lovely.
It's a bunch of like still older buildings that they apparently connected by secret tunnels.
I forget the next couple lines, but then it goes secret tunnel, secret tunnel.
Yeah, let's go and explore the hotel.
Checking in floor -1.
So we ordered room service because, yeah, we wanted to because we're
Hungry.
inherently very lazy. And like you maybe see, or maybe not from this angle, we are in a different room.
There was a very loud buzzing noise, zooming noise. It sounded like some air conditioning Yeah, it was very weird. We'll insert
It was like every
The
5
footage.
minutes there was a helicopter landing on our.
basically, but they transferred us to a different room.
We are gonna quickly have some dinner. We ordered tenderloin, both of us, with some fries
Extra fries.
and some mayonnaise, and we're gonna enjoy it. And afterwards, maybe go to the spa again. That's, I think, it for us tonight. We'll see you tomorrow after a good night's sleep, and good night.
Night.